Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to go ahead and show you all how we can actually add columns to our Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. So I want to go ahead and add columns to this page right here. I have 6 different paragraphs and I want to go ahead and add in 6 different columns. So what I need to do is I have to go ahead and left click and specify the element or elements that I want to apply this to. So for me it's just these 6 right here. So once I left click and I have it selected, I can come over here to the home tab, come over here to paragraph, and now this little drop down here, there is an add or removes columns action. If I left click, you can see it's going to give me the option to go ahead and specify which columns I want to, or how many columns I want to have here. So I want to go ahead and actually select the more columns option. And let's say that we want 6 different columns because we have 6 different paragraphs, and we'll see if it'll be able to fit it. It's probably going to be really small. And you also can control the spacing here too amongst the different columns. Let's go ahead and specify 6 and the 0.5 spacing and hit OK. Okay, so you see that we now have these 6 different columns here. And if we need to, we can always resize it. But, you know, with the 6 columns, it's going to have to make the text pretty small if I continue to resize it here. So hopefully the amount of columns that you have, if you have a lot of columns like this, you're going to have enough space to be able to fit all of them. Otherwise, you may run into the same issue that I have here where a lot of the text is getting cut off. But yeah, that is actually how you're able to go in and change the number of columns. And again, if you just have your the selection made from before, we can come back over here. We can always adjust the number of columns that we have. We're not stuck with the original number that we selected.